everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. Today in this video we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter name is Construction of Quadrilateral, chapter 6. Okay, so construction of quadrilateral means we know what do you mean by quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. Okay, four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilateral. So many type of quadrilaterals are there with different specialities. Okay, now how to draw all these quadrilateral, that is we are going to learn in this chapter. And the first subheading is classification. Okay, classification is the first subheading. In this section we have to learn the speciality of each and every quadrilateral. Okay, name of the different quadrilateral and their specialities or features, that is we have to learn in this section. But that let's learn from the next section onwards. The next section onwards we are learning each and every quadrilateral separately. Okay, so at that time let's classify or let's learn the features also. Okay, so the first section let's skip now. Now let's move on to the next section. Next section is square. Okay, so first learn the features of square, then let's move on to problems. So square means, what is the first speciality? First speciality means all sides equal. Okay, all sides equal, that is the speciality of square. All these four sides are equal. Now second speciality is all angles equal. Okay, all angles equal. All these four angles equal, and that angles are what? 90-degree angles. All the four angles are equal and that are 90-degree angles. Then next is the diagonals perpendicular each other, perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonal means the line joining opposite vertices, the line joining these 2 points and the line joining these two opposite points. These two diagonals are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular bisector of each other. That means these angles are 90-degree and these measurements are also equal. These two diagonals cut into two equal halves, that is bisector. So these two parts will be equal and these two parts will be equal. So these are the speciality of squares. Now let's learn how to draw the squares. That means let's move on to problems from page number 108. Here is your first question. Can you draw these patterns of squares in your notebook? Here in this question, this is the rough figure that what we need to draw. Okay, by using exact measurement we have to draw this figure. So in order to draw this, when you check the side of the square, you can see that it is 2 centimeter. Okay, one side 2 centimeter means the remaining 3 sides will also be 2 centimeter. So total 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Total 3 roots, 3 2's are there. So total will be what? 6 centimeter. So to draw this figure, first of all draw a large square with the side as 6 centimeter. Sum of all these 2's. That means total 6 centimeter measurement. First draw a square. So for that, first of all draw the baseline using scale. First of all draw baseline 6 centimeter. Okay. First 6 centimeter baseline and mark the endpoints. Then in this 6 centimeter we need what? Each square with 2 centimeter. Okay. So first mark 2 centimeter. Okay, divide this large 12 centimeter into 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That is like this you can mark. First 2 centimeter, then next 2 centimeter. Okay, so mark these 2 points, 2 then 4. Next, in the next complete the square by using protractor. Measure 90-degree because all the angles are 90 degrees. So take your protractor. After taking protractor, measure 90-degree first. Okay, 90-degree first. Then remove the protractor and join the line. In that line again we need what? Total 6 centimeter. So again draw 6 centimeter in this 90-degree line like this. Okay, by after removing the protractor. So this is 90-degree and this is 6 centimeter. Again in this 6 centimeter we have to cut 2 and 4. Okay, all the 12 centimeter we need to split as 2 to 2. So measure from here, first 2, mark a point, then next 2, mark a point. So this is first point, this is second point. Similarly, from this side also measure 90-degree first. Keep the protractor like this, then mark 90-degree first, then remove the protractor, then draw 6 centimeter in this line. Okay, first draw 6 centimeter. In that 6 centimeter mark 2 centimeter point, then 4 centimeter point like this. Then join the upper 2 points also like this. So we got what? A large square we got with a side as 6 centimeter. Okay, we got the large square with side as 6 centimeter. Now next is, here in this side also we have to split it into 2 to 2. Okay, 3 2s we need to split here also. So first 2, then next 2. The next step is join these points. Join these opposite points. Listen carefully, very easy one, like this. Okay, similarly the horizontal line also you have to join these 2 points, then these 2 points. Okay, now we need only what? Only these 3 diagonal squares we need. That means 1 2 3. Okay, either you can shade here itself, only these 3 squares you can shade. This is the answer. Okay, all the remainings are no need, only shade these 3 squares, or you can rub the remaining sides like this. Okay, both are correct. So this is the first one answer. Okay, this is the method to draw a square, 3 diagonal squares with the side as 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is first one's answer. Now let's move on to second figure. This is a second rough figure. 3 squares you have to draw. Second one also same like the first one. This is a rough figure. 3 diagonal squares we have, with the first square as 4 centimeter as a side, then second with side as 2 centimeter, then third square as 1 centimeter side. Okay, all the 4 sides, first 4 centimeter. Here all the 4 sides 2 centimeter. Here all the 4 sides 1 centimeter. So same like the previous case, first of all add all these sides. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So first you have to draw a large square with the side as 7 centimeter using scale and protractor. So here this is a large square with the side as 7 centimeter. All the 4 sides we got as 7 centimeter because here the total measurement is 7. Now let's divide each and every side. So for that, first of all check the base measurement. Here first base is 4 centimeter. So here first we have to mark 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter, let's mark first 4 centimeter point. Next is what? 2 centimeter point. So 2 centimeter point let's mark. Then the remaining is 1 centimeter. So first 4 centimeter, next 2 centimeter, then 1 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, in this side also you have to mark 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So here the first measurement. Okay, from the lower part, first is 4 centimeter, then here to here 1. So 4, 2, 1. Like that you have to mark. So first of all let's mark 4 centimeter first. So this is 4 centimeter. Then next is 2 centimeter. Okay, next is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter point. So these two are the points we got. So this is 4, this is 2, this is 1. Next let's draw the perpendicular line through these points. So first draw first perpendicular 90-degree line without slanting. Draw a perpendicular line through the 4 centimeter point. Next through the 2 centimeter point towards up. Okay, then from here also you have to draw. So first 4 centimeter, then next 2 centimeter, like this. Okay, after that you can shade the required region. This is first 4 centimeter square, that means this one. Next is 2 centimeter is this one. Next 1 centimeter square is this one. So these three are the answers. In the same figure only shade these three squares. Okay, no need to rub the remaining portions, just shade these three squares, that is enough. Okay, so this is the second one's answer. Now let's move on to third figure. This is a rough figure of third one. In the third question, this is a rough figure given. This figure we have to draw, but here the sides are not given. Okay, side of the square is not given. Instead of that, the diagonals are given. Okay, these diagonals given as 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here. Here also diagonal is 2 centimeter. This is the question. Okay, so by using the diagonal measurement, we have to draw the square without measuring sides. So for that, we know the diagonals are what? Equal and perpendicular to each other. Okay, if this diagonal and this diagonal will be equal. So first measure the total length of the diagonal. First, when you complete a large square, what will be the diagonal of the large square? 2 centimeter here, 2 here, 2 here. So 2 plus 2, 4. Here also 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here also 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So both the diagonals are 6 centimeter. So in order to draw this figure, first of all, draw a horizontal diagonal with measure as 12 centimeter. Sorry, 6 centimeter. Okay, total is 6 centimeter. So draw a diagonal 6 centimeter first. Now in that 6 centimeter, divide that 6 centimeter into 2, 2, 2. 3, 2 we need to cut. So in that first 2, then next 2. Okay, like this you have to divide the point. Okay, this is the first 2, this is the second 2 points. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here. Now we need the perpendicular. So perpendicular means we know the perpendicular bisect each other. That means all these four parts are equal. So 6 centimeter divided into 2 equal part means this is 3 centimeter. The next part will be 3 centimeter. Okay, like this. If total is 6 centimeter means this is 3, this is 3. Upper portion also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Like this it will divide. So in this 6 centimeter we have to mark an extra point, that is half. Half means it is 3 centimeter. So here that point also we need to mark. Okay, a small point. Now from this point we need to draw the perpendicular diagonal. Okay, from the 3 centimeter point out to these 2 points, from the exact middle point you have to draw the perpendicular line. Now when you draw the perpendicular diagonal, you have to check upper part is exact 3 and lower part is also exact 3. So using scale itself you can draw that. Okay, so keep the scale in that point and check the line of the scale and this line are in same position, like this. Okay, then draw 3 centimeter here. Okay, keep the middle point 3 centimeter point in this one. So you will get 3 centimeter here, and then downward 3 means total 6 centimeter. Like this you can draw. Okay, so here it is total 3 centimeter. Here it is total 3 centimeter. Now in this 3 centimeter you have to mark 2, 2, 2. That also. Okay, so again keep the scale there, then mark 2 centimeter point also. That is first 2 point, then next 2 point. Okay, so these are the points that we need to join. Okay, now let's complete the figure. First join these endpoints like this. Okay, first join these endpoints, then next endpoints like this. Again these two endpoints we can join. then these two. Okay, now we need to mark the inner portion. That means these 2 points and these 2 points you have to join like this. First join these 2 points like this. Then next 2 points you have to join like this. Okay, again check the rough figure once more. Like this also you have to join. That means these 2 points, like this also you have to join. Okay, so you will get a figure like this, and in this figure only how many square we need? Middle one square we need, that you can shade. Okay, middle one square we need. Then 4 corner squares. So this is first corner square, this is second corner square, third corner square, fourth corner square. So this is the figure. 3 squares in the diagonal part. Okay, 3 in first diagonal, 3 squares in second diagonal. Okay, so this is third one figure. Watch video once more, then only you can understand that. Okay, by using diagonal. So first section over. Now let's move on to second section. Next subheading is rectangle. Okay, so first let's learn the features of rectangle. I told you first section was classification. In that classification they have specified all the features of each and every quadrilateral that we are going to learn by separate section. So second quadrilateral is rectangle. First quadrilateral square, second is rectangle. So let's learn the features first. Here not all the sides equal. Okay, all the sides are not equal. Then which all sides are equal? Opposite sides are equal. Okay, for rectangle opposite sides equal, that is the first speciality. Okay, or first feature. These two sides equal and these two sides equal, length equal and breadth also equal. Now second feature is all the angles are equal, that is 90-degree angles. It is the same like what? Square. Okay, all angles are right, means it is 90-degree. All angles 90-degree. Now third one is opposite sides, that already equal, and these opposite sides are parallel also. What do you mean by parallel? Parallel means when you extend, okay, when you extend the sides they won't cross each other. Okay, when you extend these two sides they won't cross each other, or angle between these two lines are 90-degree, then also we can say that that is parallel. Okay, if these two lines, is it parallel? These two lines are not parallel because here angle is different. It is not 90-degree, and at a particular point these two lines cross each other. So it is not parallel. Okay, so here in the rectangle opposite sides parallel. Now the fourth feature is diagonals. Okay, diagonals are equal, not perpendicular, bisector. Okay, not perpendicular. The diagonals are equal. Both the diagonals are equal, and okay, both the diagonals equal, but angle is not 90-degree. Okay, it is not 90-degree. But for the square it was what? 90-degree. That's why we wrote diagonals are perpendicular, bisector of each other. Okay, but here it is not like that, only equal. Okay, diagonals are equal. If this diagonal is 3 centimeter, the second diagonal will also be 3 centimeter. So these are the features of rectangle. Now let's move on to problems from the second section. Question is, draw the figures below in your notebook. First one. Here is the first one. In this question, this is the rough figure given. Okay, we have to draw this figure. Here diagonal is given, not the sides. Diagonal of the rectangle. First rectangle with diagonal as 6 centimeter. Second rectangle with diagonal 3 centimeter. So first step is draw a base line. Okay, just a base line. Just to extend the line. A long line, just draw like this. Okay, then here it is given that from this first end angle is what? Angle between the diagonal and the baseline is 30-degree. So using protractor, measure 30-degree from the first end. Okay, measure 30-degree from the first end like this. mark a dot there. Then in that diagonal, draw first diagonal, draw, then let's mark the measurements. Okay, so this is the diagonal with a 30-degree angle. Now in this diagonal you have to first measure 6 centimeter, then measure 3 centimeter. Okay, so first measure 6 centimeter. So first measure 6 centimeter point, then next is 3 centimeter point. So these two are the points. First is 6 centimeter, next is 3 centimeter. Now the next step is draw perpendicular line from these 2 points. Draw a perpendicular line from these 2 points. Using scale itself you can draw. When you draw the line, you must be careful that points, the lines in this scale and the line in the notebook must be in same line. Okay, so draw perpendicular line like this. Without using protractor you can draw that by using scale itself, just by considering the lines. Okay, now from the second point also draw a perpendicular line like this. Okay, again from these 2 points, okay, these two are the points. Now from these 2 points towards this horizontal line also you have to draw one line. Before that, draw a perpendicular line here, a 90-degree perpendicular line, just draw here. Okay, using scale itself. Then you can draw the perpendicular line towards this horizontal line like this. Okay, draw a line like this. Now from the 3 centimeter end point also draw a line. Okay, now we got 2 rectangles. The remaining portion you can rub, okay, or you can shade only the answer. So these 2 are the rectangles you have to draw. Here this is 30-degree, this is 6 centimeter, this will also 30-degree, the diagonal is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is first one's answer. These are the second and third figure that you have to draw in your notebook. Here in this question, this is a rough figure we have to draw. Okay, so by using this measurement we have to draw the figure. So here you can draw 2 rectangles, one horizontal rectangle and one vertical rectangle with the breadth as 3 centimeter. Length is not given and angle is given 60 degree. Okay, all these angles are 60 degree. And one more thing you can see, all these 4 are equilateral triangle. Okay, 60-degree angle, all these are equilateral triangle because diagonals are bisect each other. So these 2 measurements equal, these 2 measurements equal, these 2 equal, because it is equilateral triangle. So this angle in between is 60 degree. Now let's draw the figure. So for that, first of all we are going to draw an equilateral triangle with side as 3 centimeter. Okay, so first draw 3 centimeter base line using scale. First draw a base line 3 centimeter like this. Okay, now equilateral triangle mean all the sides are equal, so measure 3 centimeter in the compass. Okay, measure 3 centimeter in the compass, then draw 2 arc from both the points. From both the end points draw 2 arc, then only you will get an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, you can see one point which join the 2 arc. Now join that 2 points to both the end points. So this is the equilateral triangle. Now when you check the side, you can see that it is exact 3 centimeter. Okay, now next step is extend these 2 sides towards up by measuring 3 centimeter towards up. Okay, so one diagonal 3 centimeter. When you check this rough figure, you can see that this one half is 3 centimeter, the remaining half will be 3 centimeter. So total 6 centimeter. So using scale, extend the remaining portion also upwards 3 centimeter you have to extend, exact 3 centimeter. Now from the second side also exact 3 centimeter you have to extend like this. Okay, then join the endpoints. These 2 endpoints you can join, then these two endpoints, then upper point also you can join like this. Okay, so first rectangle we got, first vertical rectangle we got, next horizontal rectangle we have to draw. For that, first consider the first diagonal. Okay, consider the first diagonal and take the protractor. Take the protractor and keep the protractor in this diagonal. Okay, keep the protractor in this diagonal and first mark 90 degree. Okay, first mark 90 degree angle. Then from the next end, okay, from this end, okay, look properly, from this end measure 30 degree, because check this figure, this is the diagonal we are considering. Okay, in this diagonal this is 90 degree angle, then for one triangle this is 60 degree, so the remaining will be what, in this portion the remaining angle will be 30 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree, total 90 means this is extra portion will be 30 degree. So by measuring 30 degree we will get this line. Okay, so measure 30 degree from this end point and mark one point like this. Okay, then take the scale and join the points. Okay, in this point we need only what, only 3 centimeter is enough in this point. Okay, only 3 is enough, because our diagonal is what, total 6 centimeter. So using scale measure exact 3 centimeter. Okay, first keep the scale like this, measure 3 centimeter, 1 2 3. So 3 centimeter line you have to draw like this. Okay, now towards this point also you have to measure 3 centimeter like this. Keep the scale like this, then measure 3 centimeter and draw a line like this, 3 centimeter line. Then you can join these two points. So first half we got. Now same like the previous case, extend. Okay, extend up to what, 6 centimeters. So total is a 6 centimeter, already 3 centimeter we got. Now extend 3 more centimeter through that point. The next diagonal also you have to extend with what, that same 6 centimeter. Okay, already 3 centimeters here, next 3 more in that line. Okay, then join the endpoints like this, then join the next two endpoints also. It is not compulsory to follow this method. Okay, you can follow any one method. So this is the figure you have to draw. Here all the angles will be 60 degree, here 60 degree, here also 60 degree, here also 60. This is 3 centimeter side. When you check you can see that this is also 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is second one's answer. Now try to do the remaining question. That means the question number 3 try to do as homework. Next subheading is parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram is somehow same like the rectangle. Okay, so here the features of the parallelogram are, first one, opposite sides equal. This is the shape of parallelogram. Okay, one slanting will be there. So opposite sides equal, same like rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That means these two sides equal, these two sides also equal. Next is opposite sides parallel. Okay, the name is parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel, these equal sides will be parallel also. Next is diagonal bisect each other. That means this first diagonal and this is second diagonal, these two diagonal bisect each other, means these two halves will be equal and these two half will be equal. Bisect means divide into equal parts, but it is not 90 degree. Okay, for simple parallelogram it is not 90 degree, just divide into equal half, but not with perpendicular. Okay, next is opposite angles equal. Opposite angle means this angle and this angle will be equal. If this is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. Okay, and these two angles will also be equal. These two are the opposite angles. Okay. Next is sum of angles on the same side 180 degree. Same side means if you consider this side, this base side, two angles are what? These two are the angles. Sum of these two will be 180 degree. Suppose this is 60 degree, then remaining will be what? 120. Okay, then only the sum will be 180. Similarly, if you consider this side, this is 120 degrees, so this angle will be what? Opposite angle equal means this is 60. So 120 plus 60 again 180 degree. Now this is 120 degree means this angle will also be 120. So in this side, sum of these two angle 180, sum of these two 180, these two also 180 degree. So these are the features of parallelogram. Now one more is there, that is rhombus. Okay, rhombus is also comes in parallelogram because rhombus is also a parallelogram, but with one condition. That is, for a rhombus, all the features are same, but it is not opposite sides equal. For a rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal because it is like square. Okay, it is like a square but not with 90 degree angle, but it is a parallelogram also. Okay, rhombus is also a parallelogram, but for rhombus all the four sides are equal. Okay, all sides equal. Don't forget, very important, quadrilateral rhombus. So all sides equal for rhombus. Next two opposite sides are parallel. That is correct. These two opposite sides and these two opposite sides parallel. Now in the diagonal, one more is there. Bisect each other, but this bisect means perpendicular. Okay, diagonals are perpendicular also. That means this diagonal and this diagonal 90 degree. Okay, it makes 90 degree also. Diagonals are perpendicular, bisect each other. The remainings are same. Opposite angles are equal. Then sum of angles on the same side 180 degree. Okay, so parallelogram and rhombus is somehow same, only with all sides equal for rhombus. Okay, now let's move on to problems from this section. Only two questions are there. So let's do the first one now. Question is, draw a rhombus of diagonal 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter in your notebook. Here in this question we have to draw a rhombus with the diagonals are 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, first diagonal 5.5 centimeter, second diagonal 3 centimeter. Side of the rhombus is not given. So let's draw this rhombus by drawing a rectangle. Okay, so first step is draw a rectangle with length 5.5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So let's draw rectangle first. So 5.5. So mark 5.5 centimeter first, like this. Okay. Then height is what? 3 centimeter. So using scale itself you can draw 3 centimeter. In that 3 centimeter large line must be in the same line. Okay. Then you can draw 3 centimeter in the perpendicular 90 degree. Without using protractor you can draw that. Now from here also 3 centimeter you have to draw. Okay, 3 centimeter perpendicular line. Then join the upper points also. So this is a rectangle with 5.5 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. But we need what? We need rhombus. Okay, we need rhombus. So in order to draw the rhombus, first of all find the midpoints of this 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So for that you can draw the perpendicular bisector. In the first time we have learned how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line by measuring more than half. So first of all keep the pinpoint at one end. We are going to draw the bisector of this 5.5 centimeter. So in order to draw that, keep pinpoint in one end, measure more than half and draw one arc in the upper side and one arc in the lower side like this. Then without changing the position of the compass, draw another two arc from the same point. From here one arc like this. Okay, without changing the position, draw another two arc in the upper portion and in the lower portion like this. After drawing the bisector, join these lines. Okay, join these points. then you will get the perpendicular bisector. Okay, now after drawing the bisector, you can see that this is the midpoint. Okay, here this is the midpoint. Okay, we got first two midpoints. Next, these two midpoint also we need to find. So 3 centimeter means directly we can mark 3 centimeter half, that is 1.5 will be the midpoint. Okay, so it can be marked directly. So 1.5 centimeter point you can mark. So this is 1.5 centimeter, or you can draw the perpendicular bisector by using the same procedure. That also I will show. First of all, keep the pinpoint in this end, then measure more than half. Draw one arc in the upper side and one arc in the lower side. With the same measurement, draw one arc in the upper side and one in the lower side. Okay, then join these 2 points, this point and this point, join and extend these 2 points. Okay, then only you will get the exact measurement. Now extend this bisector. Okay, because we need here also the midpoint, so we got exact 1.5 centimeter here. Here also we will get 1 point. Okay, now after getting the midpoint, just join these points. Okay, join these midpoints using scale. First join these 2 midpoints. Okay, then join these 2 midpoints using scale. Then next these. Like this. Then last 2 points. Okay, now we got the rhombus. So this is the rhombus. This red line is a rhombus with diagonal as what? 5.5 centimeter, because this is 5.5 centimeter means from this point to this point will also be what? 5.5 centimeter. Now this means what? This is 3 centimeter means wherever be in between these two lines, the distance will be 3 centimeter. So these two will be also what? 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter diagonal, and this is a rhombus. When you check the side, you can see that all these 4 sides are equal also. Okay, so this is first one answer, and one more question is there with diagonal as 5.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. The same procedure you have to follow and try to do that as homework. Same method. Okay, first draw 5.5 and 3.5 centimeter rectangle, then draw the perpendicular bisector and find the midpoint of all the 4 sides. Then just join these 4 sides, you will get the answer. Okay, very important question. So this section also over. So let's stop here. Let's continue in the next video. So hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new section.